this is another Hobby Lobby haul that my daughter let me get. Oh my gosh. When I say let me get, I mean she was. Because she told me I got too much scrapbook stuff. But whatever. So hey, I was happy. I had to fly this stuff home. So these are just some 12 by 12 stickers. I use these for scrapbooking and stuff. So of course everything was Paper Studio. These were all 50% off. I use these for border strips. It says Dream, Create, Believe, and Love. And then that was full of hearts. No, I didn't need any more dies. They were on sale. But I did get this. I just like that heartbeat. And I like this says love. The Tim Hope ones. You've seen this before. And then I did get this Memento die with the cakes. Just to make some fun different cakes. I thought it'd be cool. 16-piece set. And you can mix and match the layers on the cakes. They had a lot of the dies, but I love them alone. But I did get the stickers. They were all 50% off. I just went on and got one each. Not all of them. I think, yeah, the majority, not all of them, though. So this is in here. They all have 24 in each pack, 3 of each design. So you can see what's in them. Yep. These are great for making embellishments and scrapbooking and stuff like that. And these are stickers. And they are large stickers. So they did have other stuff as well. That I didn't get, like more floral ones. Cute and llama. I got the boy and the girl set. Like I said, there was plenty of styles. And I'm sure you've seen all of these in Hobby Lobby. I've already got some of the other ones before. But these are the ones I didn't have. And then last but not least was some more jewels. So I got these. And these. And those. And them. And this. You see how I use all those pronouns? Snuck them in on you. I'm just being silly. It's late at night. My friend's on Zoom, and I'm sitting here making a video while they sitting here waiting on me to come back. Anyway, but I just got back in town, and I had to make like 39 videos because I have to get all of these different... I had to unpack a suitcase full of stuff. I got stuff in the mail. I got some rack. I got a whole bunch of different stuff. So I had to make all these videos. So then I have to organize. But anyway, so no scrapbooking for me tonight, but just getting these videos out the way so then I can get some stuff done. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.